Here I have a 2018 Mitsubishi Triton with an AVS alarm, and it's interesting, they've hidden the siren, but if you want to disconnect the battery here, you still have to get to the siren, use the key to turn it off. So this is a real faff on this vehicle, so let me run you through it. So to access the siren, you have to remove this panel here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 little plastic screw clips, which are a time consumer. Then you have to remove this panel. And then down here, let me get a torch. Someone's made a bit of an effort, so they've made a little panel here. They've put a bit of silicone in there as well, and you have to access this flap. We'll get the torch down here on the phone, and here's your siren with the override key. So I absolutely respect the fact that the installer has hidden the siren, because it's a great idea. It means you can't get to it and attack it. But for God's sake, why would you pick an AVS to do that? Because every mechanic is going to hate you because they've got to get to the siren, disconnect it before, or turn the key off before they disconnect the battery, and it just makes an absolute balls ache to service. So, yep, good call hiding it, just the wrong product. So next time I would say maybe go for something from Vodafone Automotive, Cobra, or Autowatch. For more details on how to make your car alarm sirens effective, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.